US image plummet internationally as most say country has handled coronavirus badly. Since Donald Trump took office as president, the image of the United States has suffered across many regions of the globe. As a new 13-nation Pew Research Center survey illustrates, America's reputation has declined further over the past year among many key allies and partners. In several countries, the share of the public with a favorable view of US is as low as it has ever been at any point since the center began polling on this topic nearly 2 decades ago. In some countries, ratings for US are at record low, such as UK, France, Germany, Japan, Canada, Australia. For instance, just 41% in the United Kingdom expresses a favorable opinion of the US, the lowest percentage registered in any Pew Research Center survey there. In France, only 31% sees the US positively, matching the grand rating from March 2003 at the height of US-France tension over the Iraq War. Germany give US particularly low mark on the survey, just 26% rate the US favorably, similar to 25% in the same March 2003 poll. Part of the decline over the past year linked to how the US handled the coronavirus pandemic. Across the 13-nation survey, 15% says the US has done a good job of dealing with the outbreak. In contrast, most says the World Health Organization, WHO, and the European Union have done a good job, and nearly all nation people pull their own country positively for dealing with the corona crisis. The US and the UK are not notable exceptions. Relatively, few think China has handled the pandemic well, although it still received considerably better review than the US response. All public surveys rank US coronavirus response the lowest. Rating for President Donald Trump have been low in this nation throughout his presidency, and that trend continued this year. Trump's most negative assessment is in Belgium, where only 9% says they have confidence in the US president to do the right thing in the world affair. His highest rating is in Japan. Still just 1/4 of Japanese express his confidence in Trump. Although toward Trump have consistently been much more negative than those towards his predecessor, Barack Obama, especially in the Western Europe. In the UK, Spain, France, Germany, ratings for Trump are similar to those received by George W. Bush near the end of his presidency. The public survey also sees Trump more negatively than other world leaders. Among the 6 leaders included on the survey, Angela Merkel received the highest mark, a median of 76 across the nation. Polls have confidence in the German Chancellor. French President Emmanuel Macron also gets largely favorable review rating. For British Prime Minister Boris Johnson are roughly split. Rating for Russian President Vladimir Putin and Chinese President Xi Jinping are overwhelmingly negative, although not as negative as those for Trump. The view of this survey of Trump are more positive among Europeans who are favorably view of right-wing populist party, though confidence is still relatively low among all groups. For instance, supporters of Spain Vox party, VOX party, to review Trump in positive light. 45% are favorable in his ability to handle international affairs, compared with only 7% among Spaniards who do not support Vox. Rating of America's response to the coronavirus outbreak are also related to support for right-wings, populist parties, and political ideologies, with several countries, while ratings are low among both groups. Those on the political right are more likely than those on the left to think the US has done a good job handling the outbreak. Thus far, the pandemic and resulting global research have not had a major impact perception about the global economic balance of power among the nations surveyed. Pluralities in these countries have named China as the world leading power in recent years, and that remained true in 2020. The exception are South Korea and Japan, where people sees the US as the world top economy. These among the major findings from a Pew Research Center survey conducted among 13,273 respondents in 30 countries, not including the US, from June 10 to August 3, 2020. Pew Research Center.